that's West Palm Beach off in the distance, and the ICW, and a big mooring yard for folks that leave their boats in the water without any electricity, anything. They probably have batteries and solar to keep the bilge pumps going in case they've got a small leak. That's a big dredger over there. I don't know if they're dredging now or what, but another pretty sight here in Riviera Beach. This may be the year I've been dreaming of to take Still the One to the Bahamas. Before the crossing, I'll take you along on some short cruises, crossing the Okeechobee again to St. Lucie, and then down to Fort Lauderdale, where I'll stage for good weather to Bimini, then to other islands as transit slips are available. Come along and enjoy beautiful scenery, blue water, white sand, and interesting people that I meet along the way. And we might just learn something. Okay, so I am on Margaritaville, and right there is where Still the One is, amongst all of those boats. Peanut Island. And the port of Riviera Beach. Somebody's going to get some containers to unload. And this is the back deck. Pretty small boat. Old boat, but we'll see how it goes. Never seen a boat like this in my career of unloading containers. This is tariff day. This is where the tariffs are going to hit, right here. All of this stuff coming into the United States. Container unloading is going to decrease. There's going to be a lot of jobs lost for unloading these containers. So what's happening now is the pilot is on the boat, and he just brought us out of the harbor, and now he's going to let the captain of this vessel take over, and they will take this pilot boat, come alongside, and the harbor pilot will hop on this boat. They'll take him back to land. He's done his job, or she, whoever it is, they've done their job. There they come. Looks like they got him. He's on his way. So this is Ocean Reef Resort and Marina, and I'm going to take the tour. So this is a restaurant right here, apparently. Hello. Here we go. Yeah. Nice warm hot tub. Dive center. Learn to dive. Doesn't look like that's been out anytime soon. So this would be a cool place for you bring your boat and have your family come join and hang out in the Bahamas. Freedom. So Nolan just dropped me off here. I just left Ocean Reef Marina. Got me a hat. Yes, it looks pretty good. And Nolan just dropped me off here at Banana Bay. So we're going to go check out Banana Bay. The food looked awesome in the pictures. So let's see what they got. Oh yeah, I love this. Look at this. Yep. Hi.
What is the break?
Hello. Oh, it's windy out there. Just one. Sit anywhere?
Yes.
Thank you. Bummer that it's so windy, but man. Great place to hang out. So even though I was not able to get my boat over here this winter, insurance issues, trying to get the insurance taken care of, and finally got it taken care of, but it was too late. So hopefully I'll be able to make it over here next year. But doing some investigating, took the Margaritaville at sea boat over. It was $600 by myself. It'd have been about $8 for two people. Nice. It's a older boat that's that's got some age on it, but it's also fitting of Jimmy Buffett style. I think people are friendly, relaxed. They got all the basics on the boat, decent food, and try to take care of you. The entertainment last night was pretty good. Looking forward to another show tonight. And but anyway, I'm back over here on this would be the east side of Freeport. This little restaurant called Banana Bay, and unfortunately it's a little windy, but very comfortable, and the food on the screen looks awesome. So we'll see what they got, and then I'll head back in a little while back over to the cruise ship. But mission accomplished. I reserved a month at Ocean Reef. Family atmosphere, really looking forward to making that trip and using this as my home base for a month, and then go cruising from here. That would be the goal right now. We'll see what happens. Who knows?